Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here for Friday, October 10th. Wanted to quickly go through their transportation stocks again, just because they've now just finally today reached a level that, or an interesting technical space that they haven't reached basically since late 2012, and that's that rising 200-day moving average. Now keep in mind, 200-day moving average, like any moving average, is basically just best used as reference points. So this is not a trigger sort of blindly buy or go short either way. It's more in a reference area to note that the stock hasn't really reached. So from that point of view, there may be a support level here to watch just around, let's call it the 140, 140 half area for the transportation stocks. And really what you want to do is you don't necessarily want to, like I said, blindly buy into this, but you want to watch now how the broader stock market react to this. So let's say for example the S&P 500 were to get close to that 1900, 1910, or even 1890 area, which is basically be sort of lateral support around the 200-day moving average as well. So it's got a little bit lower to go until it actually gets there. But let's say that were to coincide with the transportation stocks. You want to start looking for potential buying opportunities in the transports. Some of these stocks I've been highlighting with subscribers has been FedEx on the short side after the outside day last week. So that's been working on a downside, coming into lateral support. Something like UPS, which is more in the same kind of category, seems to have a sort of a hard time breaking below this support line here that it's been eyeing for some time. And then you have things like Canadian Pacific, which where the wheels are just came off earlier today, but it's sort of bouncing at the 100-day, and it does have room down to the 200-day. So you're seeing a lot of things starting to sort of come together all at once, which basically means it's a good time to start watching for support to actually give us a little bit of a better support in that sense that we've had for a few weeks' time. So again, transportation stocks not to be looked at in a vacuum, so to speak, but because they are important for the broader economy, understanding that we've obviously broken that support line dating back to the late 2012 bottom, and now having reached the 200-day moving average for the first time since then, that's not insignificant. So please keep that in mind and look at it in the context of the broader market as well. Hope this makes sense, guys. If you've got any questions, as always, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.